Hey, it's James Yancey with the All-Star Academy, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the one secret that helped me learn to master prospecting and recruiting. Okay, so here's the secret. Small, tiny, insignificant improvements are what lead to mastery over time. And I know you may be wondering what that idea has to do with network marketing or prospecting and recruiting, but stay with me and pay very close attention to what I'm about to share with you, because making small improvements over time has everything to do with success in prospecting and recruiting in network marketing. And in fact, making small improvements over time is how you create success in every area of life. That's why if you choose to build your business around this idea of looking to make small, tiny improvements to every area of your business, what will happen is you'll make your success inevitable. And because you're an all-star, I want to help you make your success inevitable. And the best way for me to help you guarantee your own success is to share with you what I believe to be the shortcut. Because you could start by focusing on making small improvements to areas like your communication skills, your confidence, your belief in network marketing, or even your belief in your product or service. So over time, these small incremental improvements would begin to add up and build on one another to a point where they actually impact your belief in yourself. And that's exactly what will happen over time. But because I realize making small improvements might sound like it's a long road to creating the results you want, I want to give you a specific starting point that ensures making small improvements is a shortcut for you. So what I'm about to share with you is how you can kickstart this shortcut, because what I've come to learn to be the fastest way to improve your prospecting and recruiting right now is actually to avoid making one critical mistake at all costs. Because you'll need to eliminate this mistake before you can effectively address any other strategy, tactic, or skill. So what is this one mistake? Well, when it comes to network marketing, the one mistake that holds most people back from achieving the success they deserve is they believe that network marketing mastery means turning uninterested people into interested prospects. So if you find yourself currently trying to convince people of anything, you'll want to begin improving in this area today. Because trying to convince people of anything is a waste of your time and energy, and it creates frustration, and ultimately it leads to rejection and the fear of rejection. Let me say that another way, because I really want you to get this. Trying to convince a person of anything that's even remotely related to your business is what creates rejection, and it's what creates a bad experience for you and the person you're trying to convince. Because no one wants to be told how great something is that they have no interest in. So if you find yourself feeling the need to convince people, or even worse, you're trying to convince people of anything, what you can do is, rather than trying to convince people of anything, simply ask them a question. For example, the moment you find yourself trying to convince someone of anything, you can say something like this. As you can probably tell, I'm really excited about this business. Let me ask you, do you have any interest in learning more about this, or am I barking up the wrong tree? The reason you want to stop trying to convince people of anything as quickly as you can is because once you move beyond trying to convince people of anything, the path to network marketing mastery becomes very recognizable. Because when you can recognize when a person is uninterested in your business or the product or service that's tied to it, and you're totally okay with their disinterest emotionally, you're on the path to mastery. Simply by allowing yourself to let go of any one prospect and allowing yourself to move on easily, you're on the path to mastery. Because rather than trying to master turning uninterested people into interested people, what you can actually master is gauging people's interest. Because master network marketers, we only make any effort to persuade or influence people who are open to learning more, discovering more, and ultimately taking action. And if I had to guess, my guess is no one forced you, strong-armed you, or try to convince you to join your business, let alone watch this video. You made your choice, and now it's up to you to learn to let others make the choice that's right for them. So I encourage you to stop trying to convince anyone of anything and begin to identify where you can improve your skills and then begin making small micro improvements in those areas immediately. Because making small improvements is a strategy you can apply to every aspect of your business and life. Imagine what will happen in your business when you start making micro improvements to how you open conversations, to the questions you ask to sort and identify interested prospects from those who are not interested. Imagine making small improvements to how you're setting appointments, following up, and to how you're closing and asking for referrals. By making small micro improvements, you take control of your business, and you can begin making these improvements to your confidence as well, simply by practicing, or to your belief by associating with people who have a strong belief in network marketing, entrepreneurship, or your product or service. Best of all, by making small improvements, you increase your confidence and your belief in yourself. When you understand that network marketing mastery isn't turning uninterested people into interested prospects, you'll naturally find yourself on the path to mastery, because you'll begin to shift your energy from trying to convince people or spamming people's inboxes about your business to focusing your energy on finding, connecting with, and ultimately attracting the right people. And as you continue to make small improvements to every area of your business, you'll eliminate rejection and the fear of rejection from your business. Because rather than being pushy, spamming links, or trying to convince people, you'll begin to allow people to make the choice that's right for them. And by letting people make the choice that's right for them, you give yourself permission to make the choice that's right for you. And if your choice is to build your business on a solid foundation, you can begin doing so immediately by choosing to make small improvements to everything you do. One last tip. If you're prospecting on social media, never send an unrequested link to anyone. Sending unrequested links is a rookie mistake you'll want and deserve to avoid, because it demonstrates laziness, a lack of experience, and a lack of professionalism. Don't turn your business into junk mail. Don't reduce your personal brand or the professional network marketing to spam. Together, let's raise the bar and lift up the profession of network marketing to a higher standard by making small improvements to our approach and to our skills. I truly believe that entrepreneurship is the best path for anyone who's serious about taking control of their financial lives. And that's why it's up to us to make network marketing a highly attractive option for new, part-time, and serious entrepreneurs by turning pro ourselves and by treating network marketing with the respect it deserves. So if you're looking for more training on what to say, how to approach people the right way in person or on social media, or you're looking to generate leads for your business online, follow me on this channel or stop by my website at theallstaracademy.com. And as a bonus for watching this video, I've made some additional resources available to you in the description beneath this video that I know will help you position yourself to reach your goals fast, simply by focusing on the small improvements we discussed. So, by doing that, you'll be on the path to creating intentional success in your life and in your business. And that's exactly what I want for you, because you're an all-star. So if you received value from this video, please be sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell and become a part of the notification squad. I'm James Yancey, and I'll see you in the next video.